What's up everyone, I'm Mike with woodshopmike.com and I am tired of finishing projects with this. So I've teamed up with Apollo Sprayers and they sent me their Power 4 turbine system. Let's check it out. There it is, let's open it up. Are you excited? I'm excited. All right, so they sent me out two of their guns. The Atomizer. Okay, now this gun can be configured to be a gravity fed or a bottom cup. We got those. Got the cups for those guns. It sent out a needle kit. Got a hose. I think this is really just for like going Rambo style. No, that's not what that's for. Air cord. Warranty information. That's probably important. I see it. It's in there. That wasn't it. Ugh. This is the Power 4 turbine system by Apollo. Now what a turbine system is it's self-contained. It generates its own air to power your spray gun. Instead of having to lug around an air compressor or have a huge air compressor, this turbine is a self-contained unit. So there are two things that are really nice about that. One, it's portable. I can just, go over here. The other thing is that it's substantially quieter than an air compressor, and that's important for me because my shop is in the basement. So a lot of the times when I'm spraying finish, it's nighttime or it's evening. And the gist of that is basically that my daughter is usually in bed by the time that I'm spraying finish for the day. So not having to crank up the very loud air compressor and just be able to have a turbine unit running is a big benefit for me. The other thing is it doesn't take up near as much space in my shop. So that's just a little bit about a turbine in general over a standard compressor driven HVLP gun, but let me show you a couple of the details that go along with this system in particular. So one, you'll notice there's no hardwired power cord or anything like that. So right here you have your plug-in for the air hose. So you got your air hose, just plug it in. Push this collar back. There you go. You're ready to go. And then there is a similar adapter on the other end of the hose here. And simply you just plug your gun into that. The other thing is you'll notice there's not a power cord to wrap around the unit or whatever whenever you have to move it. You just simply plug it in right here, plug it in the wall, fire it up, you're good to go. There is a hour counter here on the side. Now that's important for your maintenance. Every now and then you have to do some routine maintenance just like with any piece of equipment, and the main thing here is replacing your filters. Lastly, you have a volume knob, and basically that's your fan speed. So different materials need more air to atomize them properly, and you can adjust that right here, nice and easy, rather than having to deal with a valve on a standard air compressor driven HVLP gun. It's just a easy to turn knob right there. So let's take a look at the guns. Now this is the same gun. It's the Atomizer 7700, but what's neat about this is it can be configured to be a gravity fed or bottom cup gun. And basically the difference there is this is a bottom cup, all right, and it simply screws onto the bottom of the gun right there. What's handy about these is you can typically get into smaller spaces. Okay, so that's cool. Here's the gravity fed gun, and basically I wanted to just try out the two different styles, see which one worked best for my workflow, but also it is generally good practice to have a gun specific for your clear coat and then a gun for your paints or your stains. So that's why I have two guns. And the final item that Apollo sent out with this unit is their needle kit. Now what that allows you to do is to spray different viscosity finishes with the same guns, okay? So in this kit, you have needles and then the air cap, and basically you just take the corresponding needle to fit the corresponding air cap, and then you can spray whatever thickness finish you want. I've used several different HVLP guns in the past, and the quality, just the initial impression of this piece of equipment is astounding. It is lightweight, it's well balanced. All of the adjustment points are knurled for very easy grip. Everything is very smooth. The trigger does not have a ton of resistance, and the grip itself is very, very comfortable. So I'm really looking forward to using this gun in my upcoming projects. Okay, so that is going to wrap up this very brief introduction to the Power 4 turbine system by Apollo. Be sure to go check them out. They've been doing this for over 50 years and are the pioneers in turbine sprayer technology. Their website is hvlp.com. Now y'all be sure to check back in the coming weeks as I dive into using this system for my upcoming woodworking projects. Ah, you're still there. Awesome. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, I got another one queued up for you right here. And if you want other awesome content from me, check out those. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe. And until next time, have fun making something.